Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and tools. Backup essential files to an external drive or cloud and verify the backup integrity. Next, download the latest Ubuntu ISO and confirm the SHA-256 checksum so you avoid corrupted media. Create a bootable USB with Rufus or Bailnet etcher on Windows. Choose GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy. Once done, disable BitLocker and, if necessary, toggle Secure Boot in firmware. This prevents install interruptions and lets the installer run cleanly. Boot the PC from your USB installer and choose Try Ubuntu to confirm hardware works, including Wi-Fi and graphics. When satisfied, launch Install Ubuntu. Pick language and keyboard layout, then proceed to partitioning. For most people, guided install is fine, but for custom setups, choose manual. Create ext for root, optional ext for home, and a swap file or swap partition sized appropriately. Make sure grub installs to the system disk's EFI partition so the bootloader replaces Windows boot entries correctly. Then proceed with installation. After the installer finishes, remove the USB and reboot. The machine should present grub and boot Ubuntu. Log in and run Software Updater to fetch drivers and security patches, installing proprietary GPU drivers if needed. If the PC still boots to Windows, boot the live USB and run boot repair to reinstall grub and fix EFI entries. Finally, restore your files from backup, install desired applications and codecs, enable the firewall, and verify that time, networking, and peripherals function correctly before considering Windows fully replaced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.